Choosing the right wireless earbuds can be a daunting task. How will they look? How will they sound? How will they feel? I'll tell you one thing. If I'm gonna pay more than $150 on a pair of earbuds, they better blow me away. What is going on? This is Joan McCullough here, also known as the Tech Chick, and I give brutally honest reviews on this channel. And if you want advice that you can trust, hit that like button and check out some of my other videos. If you like what you see, consider subscribing. When shopping for truly wireless earbuds 6 months ago, I grappled with two choices: the Apple Airpods or the Jabra Elite 65Ts. Let me tell you why I didn't choose the Apple Airpods. The AirPods retail right now at $149.99. And personally, I thought that was a little bit much for the features they offer. Now granted, I do like Apple. I have an iMac, an Apple Watch, and an iPhone. So I'm not being partial here, but sound quality is number one for me when it comes to choosing wireless earbuds or headphones. To be specific, I thought the AirPods cost too much for what you're getting. Sound quality again is important, but I also need noise isolation or noise canceling. I can't function with ambient noise coming in unless I control it or ask it to do so. Another thing is, AirPods draw too much attention. To me, when people are wearing them and they've got those little stems coming down, it screams, "Hey, I'm wearing AirPods. I'm a professional and I like discretion." So if I've got on the Jabra Elite 65Ts at work, it's not a distraction. Quite honestly, I don't own a pair, but I've certainly tested a few pairs, and the sound quality is just subpar for the price. I need bass, and a lot of it. Doesn't have to be booming bass, but the bass has to be well represented for me to be satisfied. 5 things that I really like about the Jabra Elite 65Ts. Number 5, the look. They are discreet. I love discretion. They are neutral colored. Black and silver or titanium, I can totally get with that. And I'm not drawing attention to myself at work, around the house, in social settings. If I need to take a phone call or if I'm listening to music, it's all good. Number 4, they're water resistant. I don't anticipate walking in the rain an awful lot without an umbrella. However, if I should, I don't have to worry about these earbuds. They have an IP rating of 55, and if I knock over a glass of water or anything, they won't be damaged. Number 3, the app is cross-platform. Now, as I stated before, yes, I use Mac products and I have an iPhone, but I never know if I want to go back to Android. I'm a former Note user and I don't want to pigeonhole myself into one brand. The Jabra Elites at the time of this video retail at $160.65. So if I switch phones, I want to know that I can still use my earbuds. Number 2, the call quality is amazing. The Jabra Elite 65Ts come equipped with 4 microphones that provide crystal clear call quality, and it makes sure that you come off clearly to the person you're talking to. I've had no complaints about whether or not the other person can hear me on the end. I get very few call drops. The Bluetooth range is such that if I walk away from my phone, I have to walk unbelievably far for the call to disconnect or my earbuds to disconnect. Before we move on to number 1, I want to talk about the app itself. First of all, you can change the EQ. Depending on what your preferences are, you can slide the EQ nodules up and down, or you can choose presets. If you decide to tweak any one of those, you can save it as your own. You can also select ambient sounds to play while you're studying, while you're reading, while you're relaxing. If you're focusing on something and lyrics would be a distraction, you can choose a variety of options from diving, white noise, pink noise. The number 1 thing I like about the Jabra Elite 65Ts is the sound quality. Based on what I have found when listening to both sets of earbuds, the Jabra Elite 65Ts blow the Apple Airpods away. The sound is robust and clear. When I really want to enjoy my music, I'm reaching for these. And I know there are better headsets out there, but how many are good in so many different areas? Now, let me tell you what I don't like about the Jabra Elite 65Ts. The first thing is the fit. It took a lot of tweaking and a lot of time trying to adjust to the perfect ear tips. The Comply ear tips, the standard version, do not fit these. Well, they fit these, but then these won't fit in the case. So what I did was I chose the larger silicone tips that come with the Jabra Elites, and I made the adjustment. I could not wear these for hours and hours and hours. Just even right now, my ears feel full. Still, if I had to take a flight or if I wanted to listen to music for that long, I would use some noise canceling headphones anyway. So I can let that slide. Next, the case is not magnetic. You have to be careful how you put your earbuds in here and how you take them out. If you're not careful when you open them, they can fall out onto the floor or the concrete or anywhere, like under the bleachers or in a sewer. That's not good. I wish this case was magnetic. One last thing I don't like is I would love for these to have USB-C charging, but my workaround for that is I just charge them up at night. And if they're fully charged and the case is fully charged, I get 4 hours maximum playtime as well as an additional 15 hours with the case. So it works out, and my hard-earned money is well spent. So in conclusion, it's ultimately up to you which truly wireless earbuds you buy. I suggest that you take a serious look at the Jabra Elite 65Ts for the best all-around earbuds you can buy today. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. It's been real. Peace.